Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. It's been a few weeks, but it's time for another quarantine haircut, but this time we're going to do a low fade. Let's go. What's up, dude? Get it. So first thing we need to do, again, wash and dry the hair. Let's go.
First, we're going to start with your significant other's headband, kind of like Jimmy Buckets.
See, we're getting this. Drop some more Bob Ross on. I like to think of my hair as a nice portrait. I just grab some clippers and I think of happy thoughts. I think, what would I be doing if it wasn't quarantine times? I'd be spending some money. I'll be getting my hair cut professionally.
Guys, we will work on this. We will get better at mounting solutions. Giggity. Toddler mirror. Ew. Start here and go up to the band. And then I'm going to push on the band so it doesn't raise up and then flick out. Shave my beard. Where am I at? Alright, I gotta get my bearings. Hold on. I actually don't want to mess this up. I'm back. Take this band off and shove it. I'm going to flip this back to the 4. The 12 millimeter, also known as a 4 on normal clippers. So let's get back to this now. Don't worry. I love my wife's commentary while I'm doing this. She is awesome. I have to give her props. She puts up with a lot of my BS over the years. Oh, Christ. Christ and a cracker!
How's the back look? Just don't say horrible. You can say not good. How's it? Alright. Alright, let's see. So, where do we leave off? We did the 4. We did a 3. Let's pop on